The Garmin Fenix 8 has been officially launched, and I'm eager to explore what's new. This is not a full review yet. That will come after I've had some time to thoroughly test the watch. For now, we'll focus on the unboxing experience, initial setup, and my first impressions. Here's the box for the Garmin Fenix 8. This particular model is the 47mm variant with a sapphire lens and a sleek silver bezel. I'm already a fan of this design. As we open the box, the first thing we notice is the Fenix 8 itself, featuring a stunning sapphire lens. The default band is orange, which is a fresh and sporty choice. I appreciate bright bands for visibility during my runs. Inside the box, besides the watch, we have the USB-C charging cable. It's the same proprietary connector we've seen before, which some users may find a bit inconvenient, but it's a standard for Garmin's high-end models. The build quality of the band feels premium, and it's noticeably different from third-party options which often feel less durable. Comparing the Fenix 8 to its predecessor, Fenix 7, you can see that the bezel is noticeably slimmer. The thickness of the new model is just under a millimeter less than the previous version. This reduction in thickness might improve comfort, especially during intense activity. Now let's power up the Fenix 8. As usual, it takes a moment for the watch to boot up. One thing I was hoping for was an upgraded processor for a smoother experience, but there hasn't been any official word on that. Some early users have reported that the UI can be a bit choppy, so we'll see how it performs in real time. The initial setup involves connecting the watch to your phone and syncing data. Fenix 8 introduces a new user interface, which seems to be a bit slower than expected. You can now swipe down to access notifications, a new feature in the Fenix 8. The watch also lets you adjust text sizes, which is useful if you prefer larger fonts. Setting up favorite activities like running, biking, and strength training is straightforward. The watch provides options to customize these settings according to your preference. The buttons on the Fenix 8 have been redesigned. Instead of the classic clicky buttons, they now offer haptic feedback, similar to typing on a smartphone with haptic touch enabled. This design choice aims to enhance water resistance and overall durability, especially for activities like diving. Garmin Fenix 8 offers several exciting new features, including a revamped user interface, customizable watch faces, and enhanced water resistance. While the initial setup and UI performance have some room for improvement, the overall design and functionality hold promise. Stay tuned for a detailed review once I've had more time to test the watch thoroughly. I'll dive deeper into its performance, accuracy, and overall user experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech content.